Hello everyone, welcome back to the Cosmic Patterns video tutorial channel. My name is Faye Cochrane. It's like I am happy to see you all again and be with you again today. And I hope you're having a wonderful time, happy in your life, and having a good time with your family. And thank you for taking the time to be with me today and watch this video. We are on our Astro Calendar feature. Today I will be showing you how to create the other calendar that is in the Sirius program. That is the Daywatch program. Believe it or not, it's so beautiful. Sirius program is a huge program. For the amount of money that you pay for the program, it's really well worth it. If you were to purchase the Daywatch program by itself, it can be purchased as a standalone program. It is a $180 program. Sirius is only $550 as we speak during this recording. So you're really getting a tons out of your money that you're paying within the program, plus these free videos that you're watching, and also you get free technical support by email. And if you have something that you want to watch on a video on how to do it within the program, let us know. Send us an email. Our email address is there at the bottom of the description. Okay, let's get started. Enough talking. It's getting boring, Faye. Go ahead, get started. Okay, folks, we will start. Okay, here we go. There are two ways to access the Daywatch program. You can either click on forecast, since it's a form of forecasting, and then click on Matrix Daywatch calendar. The other way is to click on the matrix icon. Look at this. This is so beautiful. And then click on Matrix Daywatch calendar. Okay. Then it will get populated from you. Here comes the beautiful Daywatch. Okay. There you go. Right now our date is March 2023. We are going to change this to March 2024. Let's click in here and then we click on OK. Okay. Alright, so that changed that. And then right now it is showing Stephen Erlewine's chart. So this is a personal calendar. Okay, let me show you lots of cool things in here. First, you can click on new chart to enter a different chart, or just click on here. Within the Sirius program, it grabs the one that you are looking at on the screen. Okay. Alright, so let's go click on this button here. Click on Daywatch, this button here, and you will see a really cool feature. For the month of March, it will show you the list from 1:38 a.m. and then as you click on it, it gives you the interpretation there at the bottom. If you notice, gives you the interpretation at the bottom. You can either click or click on the drop down arrow. Okay. Let's say, for example, let's click on 11:13 a.m. Okay, and that is the interpretations for that specific aspects that we clicked on. If you click on wheel, it will give you the wheel as well. All right, and you have several options in here as well. So, but let's close this, and then let's click on interpretation, and it gives you the interpretations. When you click on events, it will show you the timeline in here. It's not showing it to us. So, okay, so now let's click on the next month, for example, next day. This is for Monday, March 25 at 1:30 a.m. up to 11:13 a.m. And then you can go to the next day of the same time and so forth. So let's close this one. Oh, you can click on report. and then you click on OK, and then it will produce the report for you automatically. Isn't that cool? You can either print this to your printer or send it to your client. Okay, so let's just close this, and then we'll close this window. I'll show you more feature in here. You click on File, and you can select the output. You can send this to an PDF output. Okay, and when you click on Options, you can change the current place to the place that you want to use. You can change the aspects that used. Right now, currently, what is used is Ptolemy. You can select the aspect wheels. As you can see, these are all selected. It's good to select this automatically so that you do not have to worry about the DST time changes. Okay, now you can also change the Pluto glyph. Okay, and now we can click on View. When you click on View, you can see the bottom page, top page, the style, again the monthly or weekly. You can change the paper size. You have several paper sizes in here. You can also, if you're in Europe, usually it's A3, and in the US it's 8.5 by 11. In some places it's A4, or if you're using the legal paper. Okay, so it's very self-explanatory. Now, when you click on orientation, it can be portrait or landscape. I like the landscape version of it, so we click on View, and then we click on Landscape so that you see the entire calendar. Okay, now for reports, you also have a bunch of reports in here. You can choose with text, without text, prompt for file name, the yearly calendar report. Let's click on this yearly calendar report, and then January, so this is for 12 months, and then we click on OK. Okay, now it is calculating. You can see, you'll be patient, don't cancel it. We don't want to confuse the program, but you can if you want. We will go on so that I can show you the output. Okay, wait patiently, it's getting there, and there they are. It's automatically selected in PDF format, and it's now processing all the 25 pages. Okay, so you can scroll down and it will show you. Okay, so you can send this as a gift to your family, to your friends, or anyone that you want to send it to. Okay, now let's close this one. Let's go to reports. There's a lot more. So you can click on monthly details, for example, or monthly highlight. Let's see what we can get in here for the month of March, and only 1 month, and then it will calculate again. And there it is. You have the interpretations, folks. It's very, very beautifully created for you. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here that you can get, and here for reports, there's so many reports that you can get. You can also, if you're learning astrology, you can click on astrological symbol key, and there they are. That is your astrological symbol key. Yeah, okay, so let's close this and then click on reports again. You can click on void of course. It will give you the list of void of course personal or the void of course mundane, and there you go. It will give you the list on when it's likely for the month to be void of course. Okay, it will give you the date and when it begins. Okay, and then when it ends and what is the last aspects and what sign it is in. So it's very, very simple and easy. Okay, we click on here and we click on reports again. Let's say, for example, planetary hours. It's really, really nice to use. Okay, planetary hours. We can use hours of the day for 1 week, for example. And there it is. This is the list of planetary hours. Okay, isn't that cool? All right. So the Saturn hour for March 5th at 6:32 a.m. is Saturn hour. Say, it's really good, beautifully formatted. A lot of astrologers actually use this feature quite a lot. Okay, and then it gives you some sort of a keywords in here for this, for the moon. You got the emotions, the sun, and so forth. Okay, so let's close this. Let's say what we can get on extras. On extras, you can get the natal chart, you can get the lunation charts, you can get the stations, the lily strength for the day, the declination graph, and so forth. And then you can also click on help, and then go to the help system of it. Okay, so as you can see, you have these options in here that you can get. Okay, all right, so this is the Daywatch calendar within the Sirius program. Isn't this cool? It's really a nice feature. Okay, I hope you enjoy it. Have a wonderful night, morning, or evening, or afternoon, wherever you may be watching this video. I hope you have a wonderful day, beautiful night, beautiful evening, beautiful afternoon, wherever you are, and have a beautiful life. Life is short. Enjoy it while you can. You take care now, and thank you so much for your support.